My name is Kristen Franklin, and I'm going to be sharing with you Pixton.com today. This is a comic creating tool. It's a great place for kids to practice their creative writing and is also an artistic outlet for kids. I would recommend using this with students that are in the third grade and up. It's important to know that I did find some information saying that there is an app for this website for iOS and Android. However, when I searched for it today, I was unable to find it. It doesn't mean you can't use it on your tablet because you can still access Pixton.com on your web browser, which is what I'm doing today through Google Chrome. This is a free tool that has some paid features. You will know if the feature is paid for because it will display a little lock in the corner of the feature. There are lots of possibilities with this app. You can use it for comprehension, for story elements. You could also use it as a reflection piece. So when I'm thinking about this, I might be using it in social studies, and I might ask students to create a comic depicting how they would respond as a Native American meeting the European colonists for the first time. The way that this website can be used, I believe on Bloom's, that it would cover many of the categories all the way up to creation because students are designing and writing for a specific audience. On the SAMR model, I'm looking at augmentation because it does enhance a previous assignment by adding new features. So on that previous lesson that I shared with you, I might before maybe just have kids write a script, but this allows them to go ahead and add that artistic piece to it that might have been missing before. It also has the possibility of redefinition if work is then published to be viewed maybe on a social media site for feedback to be received. When you choose to sign up for this, you will go ahead to go to Pixton.com. You will press sign up and you will click this educator tab. You're going to see that when I log in, I already have set up my account. That's okay. When you do it, you'll go ahead and select your grade level, and it will take you to a screen where you go ahead and pick your avatar. You're going to go ahead and see that my avatar is up here, and it can be edited at any time. This is set up similar to Google Classroom. Your classrooms are listed here. When you click your classroom, you will have a link for students to be able to join your classroom. When they join, they can either join using Google Classroom or they can also create a Pixton account. Student comics will show up under this tab. This is a really fun feature. All of the avatars that are made under your account pop up into this space, and then you can create a class photo. This printables button also has different things that you can print that have your avatar on them, so kind of a fun little space to visit there. Going back to my dashboard, you're going to see my comics in this space. We'll go back to that here in a second. The content packs that are unlocked for my use are right here. You will find my favorites. That's where I can collect any comics that I want to go back and view again at another time. And the printables button is down here. Let's go ahead and buzz right back here to this comics tab. And I want to show you a little bit of how this works here. Over here on the left, you're going to be able to add different panels to your comic strip. Up here at the top, it has 6 different functions that you can use to improve your comic. The first one is the background. Backgrounds are listed down here, and you can select those at any point in time. Characters are found here. I've already added myself and one other friend, but you can add additional characters in this space. The focus tab helps you rearrange your people so that you can set it up how you would like. And the words frame allows you to go ahead and add those little bubbles here. One of the cool features about the words is that you can do this little drop down, and you can maybe make this a shout. You're going to see that his little bubble changes colors here. I can change the expressions on my people here. And then I can change their actions. Do I want them standing, talking, waiting? So all of that can be adjusted there in that space. When I'm finished, I can click done, and it goes here to this space. These comics can then be shared. You can download it, print it, or you can share it to email, or even there on social media. So overall, I think this is a great tool that students would love. I think it would increase engagement and be super fun for them to be able to use in the classroom. Thanks so much for listening.